First up this evening, a quick check of the big political story coming in from Maharashtra. Who will be the chief minister after the enormous victory of the Mahayuti alliance in the state? Several discussions were on through the day. The top leadership of the three alliance partners are also expected to meet Home Minister Amit Shah. We believe that former Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis already on his way to New Delhi. Remember, the BJP in pole position by a huge margin with the 132 on its own and seems set to take the CM's post. But Shinde Sena and the Ajit Pawar's NCP also pushing for that post. Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar clarified that there is no predetermined formula for selection of the Chief Minister, emphasizing that the decision will be a collective one. He also said that the Mahayuti's Alliance's overwhelming win has left the opposition Mahavikas Aghadi without the numbers to claim the leader of the opposition. What he means is that each of the coalition partners of the MVA don't have the numbers to claim the leader of opposition's position. Short while ago, the state Congress chief Nana Patole also met with Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. Overall, the Mahayuti alliance not in a hurry to decide on the chief minister and is working on building a cohesive and categorical formula according to sources for the next 5 years.
बात ये हुई कि भाई मतलब जल्दी मंत्रिमंडल होना चाहिए, मुख्यमंत्री पद के चेहरे पर आम सहमति जल्दी होनी चाहिए। उन्होंने बताया कि भाई अभी तक निर्णय नहीं हुआ है, हमारे ऊपर के नेता लोग इसके संबंध में हमारे दिनों से बातचीत करेंगे। तो लगता है कि भाई देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी हो सकते हैं, लेकिन एकनाथ शिंदे जी का भी बहुत अच्छा काम रहा है, उनको भी कोई जिम्मेदारी देने की आवश्यकता है। अगर देवेंद्र फडणवीस का नाम तय होता है तो एकनाथ शिंदे जी को केंद्र के मंत्रिमंडल में उनको अच्छा मंत्री पद मिलना चाहिए। इसी तरह की मेरी सूचना है। हमारी मांग है कि भाई रिपब्लिकन पार्टी को एक मंत्री पद देने का वादा इसके पहले हुआ था, हमको ज़्यादा सीटें नहीं मिली थी विधानसभा में। देवेंद्र जी ने बोला है कि इस मंत्रिमंडल में आरपीआई को जगह मिलेगी और आरपीआई का मंत्री बनेगा।
महाराष्ट्र में लोगों ने रिकॉर्ड तोड़ लैंडस्लाइड जीत महायुति को दी है। महायुति ने जिस तरीके से गए 2.5 साल में परफॉर्म किया, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री एकनाथ जी शिंदे साहब के नेतृत्व में जिस तरीके से अलग अलग योजनाएं, जिस तरीके से डेवलपमेंट का काम, सिर्फ डेवलपमेंट, उसके सिवाय जो है कुछ बात हम लोग ने 2.5 साल नहीं की। लोगों तक हम लोग पहुंचे। मोदी जी के पास जो हमने मांगा गए 2.5 साल में, वो सब देने का काम भी केंद्र के माध्यम से हुआ। अरे मैं कार्यकर्ता हूँ छोटा, अभी सब नेता बैठेंगे, डिसाइड करेंगे और फिर आपको पता चल जाएगा।
There is no difference between the three parties. We worked excellently. We had a little setback in the Lok Sabha for various other reasons. But this time, all the three parties, all the workers worked with each other hand in hand, and we won the elections. We won the confidence of the people of Maharashtra. And this is a spectacular victory, unprecedented. That's why it puts much more responsibility on us to behave and act responsibly. I don't see any problem. The issue of formation of government will be resolved in the next few days. हमारे सरकार जो आज है उसमें एक मुख्यमंत्री, 2 उप मुख्यमंत्री हैं, तो स्वाभाविक है कि 3 पार्टी होने से ये फॉर्मूला लगभग हमारा आगे भी कायम रहेगा।
No decision over chief minister post yet in the state of Maharashtra. Is it Devendra Fadnavis or Eknath Shinde? That is the big question. Separate party meetings have happened. No joint Mahayuti meeting yet. Mahayuti leaders expected to meet Amit Shah tonight. In fact, BJP leaders firmly backing Devendra Fadnavis as chief minister, while Sena leaders want Eknath Shinde to retain the post. Both are, of course, popular leaders and have done much for the alliance to their credit. In fact, Fadnavis drove BJP to this massive victory. He has a lot of administrative experience. He's known as a key strategist and troubleshooter for his party. Also wields a lot of influence. Shinde, of course, is grassroots level leader, strong Maratha face, also wields influence in Thane as well as Konkan regions. He will be definitely beneficial for the alliance, especially during civic body polls. Now, Fadnavis is certainly man of the moment. He's been instrumental in the decisive victory of BJP of Mahayuti, clinching the numbers BJP has, which is 132. Shinde Sena, great strike rate once again. Both of them are being credited for Ladki Behan scheme. Shinde, of course, is being seen as the face of this scheme, but Devendra Fadnavis is also doing much to make sure the scheme is implemented. Ajit Pawar, we believe, is backing Devendra Fadnavis as CM. BJP is 13 short of a majority in this 288-member assembly, but its tally of 132 ensuring that it needs only one of its allies to form the government. So therefore, this could leave Eknath Shinde with few bargaining chips to push for the top role, as BJP can in fact form the government with just the support from NCP. But since BJP Sena is in sync over many issues, fissures are certainly unlikely to arise, and with one of its allies not backing them is an extreme scenario. But certainly all parties expected to sit together with Amit Shah and other top BJP brass in Delhi and come to a consensus as far as the Chief Minister's post is concerned.